All right, let's talk about the engines that really drive the UK economy. I'm talking about trucking. Picture the familiar sight. Lorries rolling down our motorways, the lifeblood carrying everything from your morning coffee beans to critical medical supplies. It seems constant, unchanging. But beneath the surface, a massive transformation is underway. The UK trucking industry isn't just at a crossroads, it's accelerating through one, navigating a complex route map defined by urgent challenges and incredible opportunities. Forget steady cruising, the next few years are about shifting gears, big time. So, buckle up as we explore the forces shaping the future of road transport right here, right now. The people powering the journey, tackling the driver deficit. First up, let's talk about the people behind the wheel. We have a bit of a ticking clock situation. The average age of an HGV driver in the UK is now 51. That means a huge wave of experienced professionals is heading towards a well-deserved retirement right when demand for their skills is hitting overdrive. This isn't a small gap. The Road Haulage Association estimates we need to attract and train around 40,000 new drivers every single year to keep the wheels turning smoothly. So, how do we do it? This isn't just about putting up drivers wanted signs, it's a fundamental rethink. We need smarter outreach, real incentives, and top-notch training programs to bring fresh talent into the fold. But crucially, it's also about holding on to the heroes we already have. That means tackling the day-to-day grind, fighting for secure parking, demanding decent rest facilities, and fostering a work environment that values these essential workers. It's about respect, conditions, and recognizing the vital role they play. Plugging into the future, the digital shift. Now shift gears with me into the digital age because technology is radically reshaping the industry. Forget dusty logbooks and guesswork, think smart, connected, and efficient. Artificial intelligence isn't science fiction anymore, it's becoming the co-pilot. We're seeing AI optimize delivery routes in real time, predict maintenance needs before breakdowns happen, streamline back-office tasks, and even pave the way for autonomous vehicle technology down the line. Simultaneously, digital platforms are booming. Think sophisticated freight-matching apps connecting shippers and carriers instantly, like a hyper-efficient dating service for cargo. These tools offer unprecedented visibility and collaboration. But with all this data flying around, cybersecurity leaps into the spotlight. Protecting sensitive information and ensuring systems aren't vulnerable isn't just IT housekeeping. It's fundamental to keeping operations rolling and maintaining trust. The green light, racing towards sustainability. The road ahead isn't just digital, it's got to be greener. The push towards net zero emissions isn't a suggestion, it's a full-blown race, and the trucking industry is right in the thick of it. Environmental regulations are getting tougher, faster. Hauliers must adapt not just to comply, but to stay relevant and responsible. What does this look like on the ground? We're seeing a significant rise in the use of alternative fuels. Think liquefied natural gas, LNG, hydro-treated vegetable oil, HVO, and compressed natural gas, CNG, all helping to slash emissions today. But the real horizon shifters are coming into view. Investment is seriously ramping up in the next generation of vehicles. Powerful electric trucks and hydrogen fuel cell lorries are transitioning from concepts to tangible assets on our roads. This is the dawn of a cleaner, quieter era for heavy transport. Clicks to cargo, the e-commerce effect, and logistics maze. Every time you click Buy Now online, you trigger a complex chain reaction in the logistics world. The e-commerce boom shows absolutely no sign of hitting the brakes, constantly fueling demand for more warehousing, more sophisticated last-mile delivery solutions, and incredibly efficient supply chains. The heart of this operation remains the golden logistics triangle in the Midlands, but its influence is spreading, with new distribution hubs popping up across the country. However, there's a twist in the tale. Navigating post-Brexit trade adds layers of complexity. Customs checks, new regulations, border procedures, streamlining these international logistics flows has become more critical and challenging than ever before. Market realities, navigating costs, competition, and Brexit's shadow. Finally, let's touch on the harsh realities of the current market. Navigating this future means wrestling with some persistent headwinds. Insurance premiums are climbing, driven partly by evolving risks and the driver shortage itself. Competition within the UK haulage market? It's absolutely fierce. Success demands relentless focus on flexibility, innovation, and cost efficiency just to stay in the game. And yes, the impact of Brexit continues to cast a long shadow, influencing everything from staffing levels and driver availability to border delays and administrative burdens. It's a complex, shifting landscape that demands constant vigilance and strategic adaptation. So, where does this leave us? The future of UK trucking is undeniably dynamic. It's a high-stakes journey fueled by technology, shaped by sustainability goals, driven by consumer demand, and challenged by workforce and market pressures. It sounds like a lot, and it is. But within these challenges lies immense opportunity. The companies that will lead the pack won't be the ones standing still. They'll be the innovators, the adapters, the ones investing boldly in their people, wholeheartedly embracing digital tools, and genuinely committing to a greener footprint. They won't just be on the road ahead, they'll be the ones paving it. The transformation is happening now, and it's reshaping the very backbone of Britain's economy.